And here we have one of nature's least important creations. Just meandering there.
Like he just doesn't care.
Wow, stunning.
Amazing.
Hello, and here we have the extremely common pond duck. Wow, stunning.
Found an amazing hole, which is probably from an elephant. Wow, and here we have some of nature's rarest flowers. Just amazing. And as you can see, here we have some of Mother Nature's finest man-made achievements. And behind me here, we have got one of nature's rarest specimens.
And here we have the world's loneliest tree. You know, they say God has your life planned for everything and everyone. But I think he really hates this one. And here we have one of nature's greatest layers. Wait, what? And wow, this is a very rare sight indeed. And here we have tumbleweed before it tumbles. Wow, stunning.
So, thanks for watching. And remember, nature is all around us.
David.
And my mummy! I hate nature! Mummy!
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.
So here we have a rare orangutan in his natural habitat. Look at him. Look at him.